So over here, I have this WordPress site, and if I were to go ahead and then open it on another browser, from the public's point of view, you can see that the site is public. But let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and hide it out, make it private, and you don't want public to view the site anymore. In that case, you can go around over here on the settings right here under general, and you can simply go ahead and then scroll down right here under privacy section right here. So here you can see that right now it is public. That means your site is visible to everyone. You can also discourage the search engine from indexing the site if you don't want to actually view the site in search engines, or prevent third-party sharing for this particular URL. So if you don't want people to actually share it, then you can prevent that as well. But uncheck it if you want the site to be shared and if you want it to be seen in search engines. So you can go ahead and do that as you like. You can also go ahead and then make it private. Let's say, for example, your site, in this case, will only be available for those who actually log in and to whom you actually give the permission to view. So right now I have the site. So if I were to go ahead and refresh this from a public point of view, now you can see that it says it's a private site and you need to go ahead and log into wordpress.com and request access in order to view the site. And I can also set it to coming soon right here. And once I go ahead and do that, what happens is that the site is simply set to coming soon right here, just like this. You can go ahead and make it public and click on save settings. And then what happens is that the site now becomes public once more. And that is how you can change around the site privacy options inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.